Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to use the quick settings on Samsung TVs. Now of course you can go to the full on menu. I have the remote right here. There's a settings button, so I'm going to hit that just to show you that I could go to the quick settings, which is the full detail settings that you can find every detail setting. However, in some cases you may find that you are in a rush, and I'll show you how to use the quick settings. Now the quick settings are over here, so you're going to go to your menu here, but the first you'll know here is that you have this section here, which is your quick settings menu. Now your quick settings is very handy as it gives you the most used options, and the most used options will appear here. They might change a bit based on your usage, but you can always check them out. You don't have to go into the detailed settings as I just showed. So of course these settings are, as you can see in here, we have all settings, which is going to give you the detailed settings that you can go in to select the very detailed settings that were shown in the full menu. You can go to your notifications above. You can sound outputs or TV speakers, where you can switch your sound output to another type of speakers, such as sound bar or Bluetooth speakers or whatever. Brightness will quickly adjust your brightness of your TV. So if in case you want to adjust the brightness on the fly, you can just find that settings very easy. Eco mode for energy saving. And of course you have sound mode, which you can set the sound profile to get the best sound out of your device. Notice as well, there's Bluetooth device. You can quickly connect to Bluetooth. You also have your Wi-Fi, sleep timer. Now this one is quick in case you want to quickly set the time for the TV to be turned off. You can go here. There's also game mode, which is the last option here. And game mode, well, sorry, it's not the last option. Game mode, which is an option, so you can quickly switch to game mode. You can go to captions as well to get your captions, and you can see there are several options here that goes out to various settings. There's a lot, and it stops here, so you can find the best settings here that will give you quick access to your device and allows you to quickly move through your device, and you're able to find the most popular settings that you will most likely need on the fly. So do use or utilize the quick settings menu that you might be missing on your device, which is one of the features that's a part of the Samsung Tizen. Okay, and it's also reminiscent of the older operating system that has a similar feature. I do hope this was helpful. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.